Hey, I'm Melanie Trailer, and today I'm showing you my finally, after 6 months, finished quilt tops of Dilly Dally. I did 2 of them. Took me 6 months. Let me just tell you a little bit about the quilt, and then I'm going to show you the tops. All right, so real quick, this is my 3rd book. The whole book is one quilt. It measures 70 inches by 70 inches. It is an intermediate pattern, or I think a confident beginner could definitely tackle this quilt, but it is a lot. Like I said, 6 months, tiny piecing, 49 blocks. It was a lot. I worked on it almost every day those 6 months. You can purchase this pattern in physical format in the spiral bound book. It's 99 pages and it comes out in July. So it's currently available for pre-order if you're watching this video when it first comes out. You can also take the individual class, which comes with a PDF with all the book in PDF form. So it also comes with like demos, and you get lifetime access to this class. There are all 49 block demos in all 5 borders. There's also a couple extra lessons on other different things. So you can get it that way. It's also a part of the monthly membership. So if you are a member at Quilt Class, $15 a month is all it costs. And this class comes with that membership. So if you are a member, you can download all the patterns, make all of this with me. So that's a great way if you're on more of a budget. All right, so with that, let's take a look at the quilt. All right, I'm going to show you the tiny terrazzo version first, and this one was kind of my practice version, or I've been calling it my practice version. I made each of these blocks before I filmed the demos in the class. So tiny terrazzo fabrics were used. This is a basics line. It's really, really pretty. Pastels. It's just lovely. I just really happy with these fabrics and colors. Here's another look at it. The 49 blocks really seems overwhelming, but I enjoyed it so much. It was like getting to make something really special every day. Because you had these little tiny blocks that you tackled, and I would tackle 2 to 3 a day. Some days I didn't do anything, but 2 to 3 a day was usually my max. And it was really enjoyable. I thought it was just going to be very overwhelming, and there were some blocks that I struggled with, but it was just also very pleasing to do, and it was like a joy. So I've enjoyed myself with it. I'm anxious to get it quilted. All right, this next version is my Jelly Bean Meadow version. So I've used my Jelly Bean Meadow fabric collection in this, all 20 fat quarters pretty much. The borders and sashing is pure pearl, or pure ginger. I'm sorry, it's pure ginger, and I believe I've used Kona ivory on the back. Unlike the other version you just saw, this one is not scrappy in the background. That other version I was all scrappy and just used a whole bunch of low volumes, but this one was just, Kona ivory. I enjoyed the fussy cutting the most, I think. I absolutely went for it on fussy cutting. And I'm calling these stitch borders. There's 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 2 in between are those stitch borders. I really enjoyed it. And those are actually tiny terrazzo fabrics I used on those, so I added a little bit of those to this collection. I am currently quilting this one, and I'm doing it custom style, so each block is different, and it is taking a long time, but not as long as I thought it was going to take because everything's so tiny. The book is going to be releasing in July 2025, probably towards the end of July. It's currently available for pre-order. There is a pre-order discount on it, so if you want that discount, I think it'll be there for probably another week. But when I place the order for the books, I will remove it then. So basically trying to get it quilted, and then I will start removing those discounts and ordering the books. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you'll choose to make Dilly Dally quilt with me. It was slow, it was long, but it was an absolute joy. I'll see you next time.
Improve your quilting skills? Join Quilt Class for just $15 a month. You'll get a new pattern, step-by-step demos, and access to a supportive quilting community. Learn, create, and connect all from the comfort of your home. Sign up today.